Hey, quick question. Ever thought, I need to sell my house in Coral Springs, but the repairs would cost a fortune? Well, guess what? I've got something that might surprise you. We buy houses in any condition. Yes, even that leaky roof you've been worried about. Here's the deal. We're not your typical Coral Springs real estate agents. We're investors. No fees or repairs needed, and definitely no months of waiting. And you know what? We do things differently. Look, let me break it down for you. First, we'll hop on a quick 10-minute call to discuss your situation. Then we'll send you a same-day offer. And finally, you get to choose when to close at our local Coral Springs title company. The best part? You get exactly what we agree on, down to the penny. Now, to be honest with you, our offer might be below market value, but hey, here's the thing. You're saving thousands in repairs and fees, just like Mike did last week when he sold us his Coral Springs house. In his own words, closed in 5 days, got exactly what they promised. So, if you're ready to sell your Coral Springs house fast for cash without all the headaches, give us a call at 555-867-5309. Let's talk soon.